Well, this is my website about linear function, and this is the home page of the website. There are some pictures about the linear function, and the second part is definition. In this part, learners will learn what is the linear function, means they will learn the definition of the linear function, and also they will learn characteristics of the linear function. And after that is graph. In this part, learners can learn how to graph a linear function and what is the graph. This is a picture about a linear function, and there are some explanation about this graph. And after that, they will learn how to graph the linear function by themselves. There are some steps, and also these pictures will help them have a better understanding about how to graph a linear function. There are also some graphing tools like Mathway Graphing Calculator. It means learners can use these tools to graph a linear function by themselves online. And the last part is solve. In this part, learners will learn how to solve the linear function. There are two examples about linear function problems. And also there is a video lesson about some classic linear function problems and how to solve them. And in the end, there are some helpful websites. By using these websites, learners can find something helpful for them and more specific things about linear function. Well, I think the most special feature about this website is very concise. It means it is very straightforward and simple. Students and learners can have a brief knowledge about linear function. They can get this knowledge very quick. Okay, that's all. Thank you.